Alright, quick training session on network topologies, the shapes your network makes. Think of topology as the map of how devices connect, physical, cables and hardware, logical, how data actually flows, point to point, the simplest, one device connected directly to another, fast, private, no traffic jams. But it doesn't scale. Great for a direct link like a modem to a router. Point to multipoint, one central device talking to many endpoints. Think a router serving several clients over Wi-Fi, simple to manage, but the hub can get busy. Bus topology, all devices share one main cable like stops on a single road. It's cheap and easy to set up, but one break can take down the whole line, and collisions slow it down. Old school, rarely used today. Star topology, every device connects to a central switch. If one cable fails, only that device is affected. Easy to add or remove devices, and performance is solid. If the switch dies, everything stops. This is the go-to for modern LANs. Ring topology. Each device connects to two neighbors, forming a circle. Data moves around the ring in one direction. Predictable performance, but a single break can disrupt the loop unless you have dual rings. Mostly historical, but the concept lives on in some metro networks. Mesh topology. Many paths, many connections. In full mesh, every device links to every other device. Super fault tolerant and fast, but expensive and complex. Partial mesh is the practical version. Key devices have multiple links. You'll see this in data centers and backbone networks. Tree topology. Also called hierarchical, it's stars connected to bigger stars. Access to distribution to core. Scalable, organized, and easy to manage. If the trunk, or core, fails without redundancy. Big problem. Hybrid topology. Mix and match. Real networks are usually hybrids, like a wired star at the office and a wireless mesh for campus coverage. You combine strengths to fit needs, budget, and growth. Wireless topologies, infrastructure mode. Clients connect to an access point, a wireless star. Ad hoc. Devices connect directly without an AP, a wireless mesh or ring vibe. Mesh Wi-Fi, multiple APs relay traffic for wider coverage and redundancy. How to choose. Think about scale, how many devices now and later. Stars and trees scale well. Reliability, need uptime, mesh or redundant trees. Cost and simplicity, small office, star with a good switch. Performance, high bandwidth. Avoid shared buses. Use switches and multiple links. Manageability. Centralized control loves star, tree. Real-world examples, home, star, router in the center, devices hanging off it. Mesh Wi-Fi for coverage. Small business, tree, access switches per floor, uplink to a core, ISP, backbone. Partial mesh between core routers for multiple paths. Quick tip, design for failure. Add redundancy on critical links. Use VLANs for logical segmentation, and monitor with simple dashboards. Recap. Point to point, simple and direct. Bus, cheap, fragile. Star, modern default. Ring, orderly, but dated. Mesh, robust, pricey. Tree, scalable structure. Hybrid, the real world. That's the map. Pick the shape that matches your goals, then build with room to grow.